Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and we are looking right now. Well, we're not looking. You're not looking. You're looking at me. But we are walking down the Vorheesville freight line, and the other track that joins this is Norfolk Southern freight line. Let me turn it around so you can see what I'm looking at here. So that side over there is Norfolk Southern. This is, I guess, CSX. Norfolk Southern, CP Norfolk Southern, at least it was at one point. You can see they've done a lot of work on this line. This line was shut down for a while, and I don't know if they refurbished the bridges or not. Up that way is the Delanson Siding, and we might take a look up there too. But people always wonder about when I'm walking along here. So you can see they've done a lot here. Replaced a lot of rails. I don't know what they've done to the bridge. These are well-used tracks too, by the way. Very well used. There's a road right over there. Not here, but another place I saw. Train go by. Yeah, and they did. I thought they were going to replace these bridges, and it looks like they have. Well, I don't know. Did they replace them, or did they just... Huh, no, they did not replace them. I thought they were going to replace them, but they did not. That bridge there says 1929. One farther up, oh no. On the other side, 1907. But this was Norfolk Sutherland. Or no, this is Albany, Saratoga, it was originally, and it was bought out. They had to change the width of the line. At one point, the line was actually 6 feet, and they had to change it back to a standard rail line. So 1851 they had, 1851 they had a 6-foot rail. 1876 they converted to standard. 1800s, Delaware and Hudson started running them. 1899, it was absorbed by the Delaware and Hudson. 91, it was CP. 2015, it was Norfolk Southern and CP. This side, it says it's CSX, Norfolk Southern. The other side is Freightline, CP, or Norfolk Southern also. What's interesting is some of these rails are still owned by sometimes something out of the 1800s. And what we find is that the corporations sort of have melded together over time. These rails are used a lot. This is a very active rail system here. This one goes through Vorheesville, and I think connects over by the main freight over. I want to say Scattercoke, but that's not it. I can't think of it. Look in the description; it'll be down in there. The other one goes to Schenectady. This other one goes to Schenectady. Oh. This line has changed over time too. It's been moved around. Sometimes they have cars up here on the siding, sometimes they don't. I don't see any offhand, but that doesn't mean anything. So this line here was shut down for a while. It's back active now though, you can tell that. Brick. Oh, that's probably from fixing the tracks. That's what that's from. Well, there are some cars down there. It's a busy place. So this side, these two come together here and they continue on west. Is he coming back? Or is he just interested? Harvest Homes. Probably could drive down in there, I would think. This is one busy line right here too, let me tell you. And up here is the Delanson Siding. And against its name, the owner, it was Quaker Station before. And the owner, I don't know if it was a snazzy it up or not, but the guy's name from Delanson, from Delaware and Hudson. And so they took the Del and in the front, Delanson. Well, certainly the youth come down through here. I don't know if this is a jump off point. I wouldn't think so. I wouldn't think so. I was recording another vlog and a train came through. I don't know if that's going to happen this time or not. My. I think I've done something on Delanson before. If not, it'll be coming up. I have done it before, I just haven't done it recently. Huh? BKC is popular something here. I wonder what BKC stands for. Huh. And here you see the siding. I probably could have driven all the way down in there. But one never knows what you invite when you go on private property like that. I know I do my fair amount of going on property, but This was probably multiple rails in here at one point. This is certainly old. Wow. If I want any, I know where to get them. Drains, I guess, but I don't know for what. Could have been a single signal tower, much as this one is up here. Oh, jeez. They scared the crap out of me. Well, it's a good thing I didn't go down there. I'd have to contend with somebody. Now I do not. Well, if they were interested in me, they'd have stopped already. Always interesting, the infrastructure. Now there's the tower there. I don't know what the lights say. If it's green, it could say a train's coming this way. What's the... oh. Can't see. Yeah, can't see yet. I don't know what they're doing, but I'm not too concerned. Again, they're not yelling at me. Yeah, see, this was all railroad in here. You can see ties in through here. So this had a lot more rails through it at one point. You could be a rail fan. Still can't see. They look, I don't know. I don't know. There might be someone just getting high too. Old box. There's Harvest Homes. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see the old ties. This was all pretty substantial in here. The depot is actually farther over. Here's the siding here. And little bit of a hump. Little gravity there. It says red, obviously. Harvest Homes. Huh. Wow, if you want... Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can get all I want. Interesting. I don't know. I don't know them personally, but I follow people and they ride in those things. And boy, I'll tell you, I don't think so. Some tags on there. Pretty old tags. They've been moved fairly recent. Fairly recent. There's a tag there. I don't know who. But there's some tags on this. I'm not walking to the other side. well, this was a second look. I wanted to see what they had done. They didn't replace the bridges like I thought they had, but, well, what are you going to do? But it is the old Albany and Susquehanna, and then it becomes Delaware and Hudson, and then it's Norfolk Southern, CP, and it seems like CSX has control of the other line right now. I'm not sure, but in any case, that is that's what we've looked at here. So I guess with that, I'm just going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, hit the like button. Hitting the like button means that they'll promote the video and promote my channel a little bit more. I'd really appreciate that. And no trains on this one, but you never know. So with that, have a good day. That car is still over there. Always kind of hard to know what's going on. Then again, maybe I don't know. Maybe I don't want to know what's going on. Still can't see those lights. They're not on. No lights at all. That's weird. Very, very weird. All right.